Hi, I'm Garrett. This is Night Shift Ri3D. I'm here to talk about some of the software that we've been working on. So we're using the Java WPI lib system. We decided that we don't like C++, so we're going to stick with Java. We've got the robot driving yesterday, so that's kind of worked out. We've got a lot of the motor controllers and stuff programmed, very simple. The next kind of big hurdle is the vision system. So we did have a limelight. Have is the important tense because it's not really working anymore. So we're not sure exactly what's going on there, but we decided to stop trying to troubleshoot that and move to using just one of these kind of standard Microsoft HD 1000 cameras. You can get them on Amazon really cheap. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to detect these April tags that are posted all around the field. And April tags are designed such that they're really easy for a computer and a camera to figure out how they're angled and like how far away you are just by looking at a picture of them. So we are the limelight was going to do that for us, but now we kind of have to figure that out ourselves. So we are looking at a couple different options, whether that's running the code directly on the Rio. The problem with that is that the Rio is not a super fast processor and it's got a lot of other things going on. So if the limelight or if the April tag code takes too much time, then the other parts of your robot code will start to stutter. The drivers will notice input lag and just really a bad situation. So Manny is also working on getting photon vision up and running on a Raspberry Pi coprocessor. That's really nice because it offloads all the hard image processing work from the Robo Rio to the Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi just gives the actual information about the April tag back. So it makes it a lot easier from the robot code standpoint, but it's a little more complicated just because it's another piece of hardware that you have to get working in the network and all that stuff set up. So the loss of the limelight's definitely set us back a couple hours, but we're working through, and there's lots of ways to do this. There's more than one way to solve the problem. So we've got this running directly on the directly on the Robo Rio. We've got the photon vision system, and whichever one works soonest and works best is what we'll probably try to do for our final code here at the end of the 3D.